Solda AI has just been released, and if you're looking for a game-changing AI tool, this is one you should know about. In this review, I'll walk you through 7 crucial things you need to know about Solda AI, what makes it stand out, and why it might be the best AI software you've been waiting for. Stick around till the end, because I'll give you an exclusive way to try it out completely free. Let's dive straight into it. Solda AI is designed to streamline business processes using cutting-edge machine learning technology. The first thing you'll notice is how user-friendly it is. Whether you're a tech novice or a seasoned pro, getting started with Solda AI is smooth. No steep learning curve, just a clean interface with intuitive features. This is key because not every AI software is this accessible, especially for those who don't want to spend days learning how to use it. Next, Solda AI excels in automation. The software is built to handle repetitive tasks like customer data analysis, lead generation, and even email outreach. Imagine freeing up hours of your workday by automating tedious manual processes. This makes it a perfect solution for digital marketers or business owners who are looking to scale their operations without increasing headcount. But that's not all. Solda AI also offers advanced analytics. It can provide deep insights into customer behavior and trends, which is essential for making data-driven decisions. By connecting with your existing platforms, Solda can instantly analyze your data and suggest improvements in real time. This ability to predict trends and optimize performance is a huge advantage in today's fast-paced business world. What I really appreciate about Solda AI is its flexibility. Whether you're running an e-commerce store or managing a marketing campaign, it integrates seamlessly with a wide variety of tools, CRMs, and email platforms. This level of integration means you won't have to juggle multiple apps or worry about data silos. Everything can be connected and managed in one place. Another feature that sets Solda AI apart is its customizable AI models. Unlike some other AI tools, you can tailor the software's algorithms to suit your specific needs. Whether you're in retail, SaaS, or content marketing, Solda allows you to adapt its functionality to your exact business model, giving you a unique advantage over more generic solutions. One of the best parts? Solda AI's pricing structure is incredibly competitive. For the value it delivers, it's much more affordable than many alternatives in the market. You're getting enterprise-level AI capabilities without the enterprise price tag. And if you're hesitant to commit, you can try Solda AI completely free with the link in the description. Now let's talk about its scalability. As your business grows, Solda AI grows with you. It's designed to handle an increasing volume of data and tasks without slowing down, ensuring that it remains an asset as you expand your operations. This makes it a great long-term investment for businesses looking to leverage AI for growth. To wrap things up, Solda AI is a powerful tool with a lot of potential. From automating workflows to analyzing data and integrating with existing tools, it provides a comprehensive solution that can save you time, increase efficiency, and boost profits. And remember, you can test it out for free through the link below. If you're serious about stepping up your digital strategy, I highly recommend giving Solda AI a try. But don't just take my word for it. After trying thousands of AI tools, I've compiled a list of my recommended software in the description. You can try them all out for free and see which one works best for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.